G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Out with the 3FULgear Tutor for its first actual test. Now it's weighing in at 7.7 kilos. In the pack I've set it up as if I was going out for overnight. Well, actually 2 nights I can manage with it. That's including 2.5 litres of water, my Lanshan Pro 2, sleeping bag, sleeping mat, pillow, food, cook kit, hygiene kit, first aid kit, snake bite kit, all the essentials that are needed for doing a couple of nights out. Now I won't be doing a couple of nights out, I've just got that in there to test it. I've got these shoulder strap pockets I've added on to make it easier with the water. Got my phone in this one. I've got the water in the side pockets there, the extra water. So far I've done probably 2 kilometres and it's feeling comfortable. Now I've had people ask me, would it fit short people? Well, I come into that, I'm a short people person. I'm only 5'6" in the morning when I wake up, and probably 5'5.5" or 5'5 3/4" when I go to bed at night. But at the moment, it's feeling really good. Four kilometres in, no rubbing, no discomfort, a little bit of perspiration, nothing serious. And temperature already this morning, I think it was 28 degrees C when I left the car, that is. So it's a nice warm day today. It's going to go up into the mid-30s. So the morning's the best time to test this out, I think. Is it performing how I thought it would? It actually is. And it's actually performing a little bit better. I thought with this back panel on it I'd have a lot more perspiration, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. I'm enjoying it out here. My favourite place to relax and de-stress. I'll go have a look. I've already walked past a few kangaroos just laying there sunbathing. This is on the other side of the track. Yeah, a few kangaroos laying there just watch me walk by. They're used to humans, didn't get too close to them, stayed away. Right, this came on. I was only going to do 5 or 6 kilometres, but I think I'll do a bit more. Feeling nice, feeling good, feeling comfortable. 6 kilometres in. Took a little bit of a diversion, I did, to have a look around and just to add a couple of Ks onto this actual walk on the test of the backpack. There's a chance something to keep an eye on. I'm doing the same a bit further up, so it might end up, instead of being 5 or 6, it could be 9 or 10 kilometres. But still, nice and comfortable. No rubbing on the hips, like you get with some of your backpacks. You get it, when they haven't moulded into the shape of your hips. There's none of that at the moment, and fingers crossed it stays that way. Shoulder straps, nice and comfortable. They're not the thickest, but still they don't have to be. They're comfortable and they're doing the job. No slipping around. Sternum straps still in place. Road lifters don't need adjusting. Still all good. Warming up even more now. So we are in the 30s now, for sure. Plenty of water. So let's carry on. Eight kilometres in to just one strap, just about a quarter of an inch. Nothing serious, probably just the way I'm walking, but all in all the pack is nice and comfortable. Perspiration on the back, again still not as much as I was expecting. Shoulder straps, nice and comfortable still. Hip belt, nice and comfortable still. Carrying the water on the front, putting extra on here. No issues with it, no problems. I'm used to having pouches on my shoulder strap, on my other packs. But I think this is just a little bit heavier than usual, but made no difference at all to me. Go again? No, he stopped to record the bird and he stops. More kangaroos along the route. Been really nice. We've had smells like we've had a little bit of a bushfire here, or a controlled burn. Yeah, controlled burn, we can see it. Just there, all the black. All this area had a controlled burn by the looks. Not so long ago. Well, the way the shoots are coming through, probably 5-6 weeks ago, so a lot safer to come walking now with that done. And with them only doing the little patches here and there, safer for the animals too. Gives them a chance to move on into a clear area where there's no controlled burn going on. Oh, the camera's getting heavy with a tripod in my hand. Now I've got about another 2 kilometres until I get back to the car. So when I get back to the car, I'll give you a little bit of an update then. Coming back to the car now. I keep calling it a car, it's a 4-wheel drive or 4B or wagon or truck, wherever you're from. Done just over 10 kilometres. The backpack worked fantastic. A lot better than I was expecting. I was expecting a lot more perspiration on my back. It's not that bad. I've got the perspiration, don't get me wrong, but it's not to the extent I was expecting. Comfort wise, Like I said, 7.7 kilos in weight. Temperatures now are about 33, maybe a little bit more. Feel good, the pack feels good. There's no rubbing, no sore spots, no bruising. All good. Hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have and you're not a subscriber, please go down below and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell next to it and select all, and hit the like button or thumbs up. And if you're already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.